Hi everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to fix Google Chrome when it's not opening on Windows. Before we do begin, please hit the like and subscribe button. So the first thing we'd want to do is to go to Task Manager. We can go to the Task Manager by right-clicking Start, right here on the Start icon, and then click Task Manager. Then, we can search for Google. Once you have located Google, right-click it, and then click End Task. Afterwards, you can then close the Task Manager and right-click on the Google icon and select Go to File Location. Once you're in the Google file location, rename Google by clicking on it twice. Then, right-click and pin to start. Open Google and this should fix the problem. If this does not work for you, then you may need to reinstall Google through Microsoft Edge. To do this, just search Google. Click on Download Chrome to initiate the download. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.